Good morning, everyone, and welcome. I am Nupur Lanjekar, Marketing Executive at Mercurius IT, and I'm delighted to host today's webinar on Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM 2025 Wave 2 Release Plan. At Mercurius IT, we help businesses transform with innovative Microsoft solutions that drive efficiency and growth. Today, you'll learn about the latest CRM updates across sales, customer service, contact center, and field service. Our speaker, Divya Inani, will guide you through the key features and practical steps to prepare you for the release. Please feel free to share your questions in the chat and we'll address them during the Q&A session at the end. Over to you, Divya.
Yeah, thank you, Nupur. Hello, everyone, and a very good morning to everyone in the webinar. So, I'm Divya Nani, and I'm working as a Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM consultant, and I'm taking care of the functional side, and I'm having an experience of around 5 years. So, today we will be going to talk about different modules in terms of AI, how AI has evolved in Dynamics 365 CRM in the Wave 2 release. Talking about the content which we are going to see in today's webinar will be where we will be covering sales, we will be covering customer service and field service. We will be talking about contact center and customer insights and how the Copilot and the AI has evolved into these four different modules and what has came up in the new features in release wave 2. So let's begin with sales first. So in the sales, we have one of the major feature that will be released in December 2025 will be connect to Dynamics 365 sales with context protocol. So this integration is basically a game changer because it allows Copilot to understand the context between your Dynamics 365 sales data and not just what's stored, but what it matters. So basically, through the model context protocol, AI connects directly to your Dynamics 365 environment, giving it access to relevant information such as account details, pipeline statuses, customer histories, and all these relevant information it collects. And Copilot just doesn't offer random insights. It tailors your recommendations that truly make sense for your business. So while taking an example, if one of your key client hasn't been contacted in a while, so sometimes there are a lot of data and we miss out on contacting with the client. So what Copilot will do for you is Copilot can proactively alert the sales team and even suggest the best time or approach to re-engage with those customers. So this helps teams prioritize their outreach, focus on the right opportunities and boost the conversation rates. So with the help of this feature, the key takeaways here is that model context protocols turns the CRM into a smart, context-aware system, one that enable better decision making, consistent engagement, and ultimately stronger customer relationships. It's just not about automating your CRM, it's about intelligently empowering it. So with the help of this feature, there's a lot of benefits which will be coming up, which will be boosting the productivity of our CRM system and the sales team as well. It help in personalizations because each and every customer will be contacted personally with the help of this particular feature. So this is one of the feature which has came up, which will be available in December 2025 with this Wave 2 release. Now let's talk about the next feature which will be available in sales will be used Copilot Form Fill Assistance. So as we know, every sales or service professional knows how time consuming manual data entry can be. It's very repetitive, sometimes error prone, and often pulls people away from meaningful customer engagements. So with the help of Copilot and with the help of AI, it will automatically give the suggestions or pre-fill the form fields based on the context of your customer interactions or historical data. So, for instance, when you are creating a new opportunity, let's say we are creating a new opportunity, new account, Copilot can automatically fill in the data such as the customer names, industries, contact informations, and even prior engagement data, and all within seconds. So we don't have to waste our time in filling up the entries, which is very repetitive. And with the help of this feature, this ensures data consistency, also reduces the human errors. Sometimes we used to type a little faster and we miss out certain spellings, or we used to fill up certain datas automatically, and it will saves the valuable time as well. So with the help of this feature, team can spend more energy on strategic decisions, nurturing leads or closing deals instead of being bogged down by admin tasks. Think of it as we can think of it as having a digital assistant who not only understand your work but anticipate your needs. So with the help of this particular feature, there is a lot of time our sales team can reduce in filling up this, and can focus on more nurturing of the leads. Can enhance This will automatically enhance the customer satisfactions and report, and automatically leads to greater efficiency, and it works in different languages as well. So it's not only English, but it's not only available in English, but it's available in multilingual languages. So multiple languages it help you assist. So this is the second feature which is being available in Dynamics 365 Sales Hub. Now let's just move to the field service. Let's check what's new in the field service, which is coming in release wave 2. Let's talk about manage AI agent activity through the agent feeds. So this feature is like a command center for your AI driven operations. The agent feed consolidates every actions, recommendations, and update from Copilot into one unified views. Supervisors and managers basically can monitor agent performances, can track AI suggestions, and ensures everything stays aligned with the business goals. So let's just take an example. If a certain AI suggestions is being rejected repetitively, so it might indicate that the model needs fine tuning, or perhaps that the workflow needs adjustments. This level of transparency allows manager to make informed and real-time improvements. So it's just not about monitoring, it's just about fostering a culture of continuous learning and accountability. The agent feeds enables teams to work even smarter together, enhancing productivity while ensuring AI involves in sync with the human expertise. So with the help of this feature, it will provide real-time visibility into AI agent interactions. It ensures the quality and reliability in autonomous customer engagements. So whenever you will be interacting with the customer, it will be giving you the data related to that particular agent feed and provide you with the suggestions. And if someone is repetitively disagreeing and rejecting certain things, the AI will automatically ask you to follow up with those steps, and then improve the customer satisfactions. So with the help of this feature, it will help in autonomous customer engagements. It is a centralized Copilot service dashboards. It will give you a centralized dashboard, and with the help of which we can make our further analysis. So this is the feature which we have received, and which will be available in field service in release wave 2. Now talking about next best feature which come up with an which has came up is AI in case management. So as we all know, with case management agents, Dynamics 365 can automatically create and update cases based on customer requests. So with the help of this particular feature, AI can automatically create and update the cases based on customer requests. Whether they came up through emails, whether they have came up through emails, chats, or even voices. So let's imagine a customer sending a follow-up email about an existing issue. So what Copilot can do is Copilot can detect the intent, update the case, and alert the responsible agent all automatically. So we don't have to write multiple power automates, multiple workflows. It just with the help of this particular feature, everything will be updated, everything alert will be given to the agents, and agents can automatically start working on the particular cases. So this basically minimize the manual work, ensures cases are always current, and prevents things from slipping through the cracks. So basically, sometime a lot of emails we get, sometime a lot of requests we used to receive, and we miss out on certain things as we are also humans. So with the help of this particular feature, the cases will be automatically created. If they will be coming from emails, if they will be coming from voicemails, or even if they will be coming from different source which will be supported in Dynamics 365 CRM, it will automatically detect and create cases and update the service alerts accordingly. So it streamlines operations, reduces administrative tasks, and create a smoother, more responsive service environment. So in essence, AI becomes your first line of support in keeping service processes clean and up to date and efficient. So with the help of this feature, a lot of manual tasks gets reduced. We AI tracks the conversations, AI detect the conversations, update the cases or create the cases, update the fields from the informations which we have received from the customer, and keep it a track till resolution. So with the help of this feature, we can manage, it becomes easy with the help of AI to manage the cases in the system. So these are the two AI features which we have received in Dynamics 365 Field Service. Now, new features in Release Wave 2 in Contact Center. So now let's just see what features we have received in the Contact Center. Resolves issues autonomously with customer intent agents. So now let's take a step further with customer intent agents. These agents leverages AI to truly understand what the customer is asking. So their intent, not just their words. For example, if a customer say, I forgot my password, the AI doesn't need to wait for human intervention. It can immediately trigger a password reset process. So this is one of the feature where we do not have to put in, we just have to set certain steps that needs to be performed on asking of a certain query. So for more complex cases, the AI gathers all relevant data, summarizes the issue, and hand it over to a live agent fully prepared. So this dramatically reduces the back and forth and enables quicker resolution. With the help of this particular agent, it basically reduces our work, and gives our sales agents or the field service agents with a proper summary, and they can just start working on the same before doing any further analysis. So what will be the results with the help of this feature? So the results will be faster services, happier customers, and less repetitive work for your team. The customer intent agent functions like an intelligent triage system, we can say, ensuring each customer gets the right help at the right time. So with the help of this feature, it reduces handling times and boosts the customer satisfaction, continuously improves through intent discovery and real-time performance monitoring. So this is also one of the good feature which we have received in the contact center. Now let's move to the next feature which we have in contact center is update knowledge base with customer knowledge management agent. So with the help of this features, it helps maintains an accurate and evolving knowledge base. So traditionally, we used to keep documents updated as a manual task. So in the knowledge management section, we used to go and we used to write the knowledge managements and we knowledge management articles. We used to do it manually. So now AI now automates this process. It can continuously analyzes the customer interactions to identify the recurring themes or issues. So sometimes we used to get the repetitive issues from different clients. With the help of these features, AI will automatically detect what is being repetitive. When patterns emerges, say multiple customer facing the same challenge. The AI can automatically create or update a knowledge article with the correct resolution steps. So this means agents always have access to the latest information, enabling quicker and more consistent customer support. It also benefits onboarding. New agent ramp up faster with accurate and organized content. So, with this approach, your knowledge base becomes a living learning asset that improves with every customer interactions rather than a static library that quickly becomes outdated. So, with the help of this particular feature, now we do not have to manually write all the knowledge articles. We can just AI can just track each and every customer interactions and give us suggestions that these are the knowledge based articles which will be required or which will be helpful while understanding these data. So this is one of the good feature which we have in the contact center and which will be available from this October 2025 itself. So with the help of this feature, there are a lot of benefits which we have received is this actually take your real time and historical case data and it take those data and it will help in becoming actionable knowledge articles. And we used to so we have the repetitive articles being generated in the system according to the repetitive queries which we have received. So if someone else is coming onto the same queries, we can rapidly answer those customers or rapidly answer those queries because we already have the content created, so we don't have to wait and write all the content automatically in the system and then provide them with the solution. So with the help of AI, it becomes accurate. It becomes a kind of guidance which will be available throughout the sales team. Yes, so these were the two features which we have received in the contact center. So now if I move forward, that what are the new features which are being available in customer insight journeys, which was previously known as marketing as well. So there are certain features which we have received in customer insight journeys related to co-pilots and AI. So Copilot, create journeys. One of the feature which we have received is create journeys using AI assistance. So with the help of this tool leverages data-driven insights to recommend the best actions in your engagement strategy. So with the help of this particular feature, you just have to explain the AI that what kind of journey you are trying to build in. Just write down the steps, what steps what you want a journey to be in, and it will automatically start creating. The AI will automatically begin with creating the journeys. So Copilot can suggest when and how to reach out. For example, recommending a follow-up email or product offer at the perfect time. So once you write down the steps and what will be required in a journey, the AI will create the journeys and give suggestions that how it can be improved or how it can be more interactive while communicating with the customers. So marketing team can use this to design smarter, more responsive journeys that leads to a stronger engagement and high conversation rates. The power here lies in personalization at scale. So reaching each customer with the right message on the right channel at the right moment. With the help of this particular feature, it transforms outreach from being reactive to proactive, helping your organizations deliver experiences that feel intuitive, timely, and human. So with the help of this feature, you don't have to manually create journeys every time. You can just explain to AI that these are the steps which will be required in a journey, and automatically a journey will be created as per the segments or as per the triggers you will be defining in the journey. So this is the new feature which we have received in Dynamics 365 customer insight journeys or marketing. You previously, because this feature was not there, we have to manually create the journeys every time. We have to design our journeys manually. But now AI will assist you. AI will give you suggestions to get improvements in the journeys as well. So it will simplify the journeys with AI-driven recommendations and automations. It help in campus campaign creations by suggesting optimal customer touch points. It enhances the personalization data, insights, and predictive targeting as well. So overall, it will help in reducing manual efforts by automatically generating and optimizing customer paths. So this is one of the good feature which we have received in marketing, which will save the marketing team time, and they will get more suggestions with the help of this particular feature. Now let's just talk about the next feature which is being available. So and finally, let's now discuss about Copilot powered voice conversations. So voice remains one of the most powerful, as we all know that voice remains one of the most powerful tools in customer engagement. And now AI is enhancing it like never before. So during live calls, Copilot can suggest real-time responses, highlight key customer details, or even prompt the agent with potential cross sales or upsells opportunities. So it also captures and summarizes conversations, insights automatically, which can later be used for follow-up actions or training purposes. So basically, with the help of this feature, what we can do is we can add the voice conversations parts here. So just like phone call, just like emails, just like phone calls, we can add these voice messages as well during our journeys. And if someone has called you and you want to filter out on the basis of audiences, on the basis of those, this is also applicable. So the key benefit from this particular feature is that agents can stay focused on the human connections while the AI quite handles the background intelligence, pulling up data, noting next steps, and ensuring consistency. So this doesn't replace human interactions, but it enhances it. Every conversations become smarter, faster, and more meaningful. Ultimately, it's about transforming every voice interactions into an opportunity to build trust and deliver the value. So as you can see in this particular screenshot, that while we will be going on to adding an action, now we will be getting an option to add the voice options as well. And then we can just uh, we can just figure out where we wanted to give this voice call attempt. So for example, if we wanted to keep someone on hold for a second if a journey is continuing, and we need to make certain phone calls to the people after a certain steps has been performed in the journey. So with the help of this particular feature, we can do the voice interactions with the customers, which is AI driven in Dynamics 365 CRM as well. So these were the features which we have. These is one of the good feature which we have received in Dynamics 365 Customer Insight Journeys. So, yeah, these were the features which I have covered, and this is the upcoming feature list in Dynamics 365 CRM release. So, in summary, I wanted to say that in summary, the combination of Dynamics 365 and Copilot capabilities is, is not just about automations, but it is about intelligent enablement. We are bringing together content, insights, and actions in one cohesive ecosystems that helps teams work smarter, not harder. So work smarter and not harder. With the help of this AI, we can build in our teams. So from sales and customer service to field operations and marketing, every part of the customer journey benefits from these AI driven enhancements. It's not about creating it's about creating a system that learns, adapts, and grows with your business. So with the help of this particular feature, it will help in growing businesses. And as these features continues to evolve, organization can embrace them early, will lead to efficiency, innovations, and customer satisfaction. So once these features will be available and we'll start using these particular feature, it will give an edge over the other platforms which we are using. So yeah, these were the feature list which we have covered in today's session, and now we are open to any questions or any suggestions and anything. You can paste it in the chat. So, Nupur, we can take the questions now.
Hi Divya, yes, I have received a couple of questions here. Let me just read them out to you. Someone has asked, how does Copilot in Dynamics 365 understand business context with generating recommendations?
Yeah, nice question. So basically, Copilot uses this model context protocol so to secure and to connect to Dynamics 365 data. So such as let's say opportunities, contacts, and cases. It takes the data from there and understand the context of what you are working on. So basically, it blends that the CRM data with Microsoft Graph and real-time conversations like emails, like team chats, meetings, meeting summaries or MOM, which we will be generating, and it generate the context aware suggestions, summarizes, and follow-ups. So with the help of this model context protocol, AI recommendations will be specific to your customer, and on the opportunity stage, you will be getting on certain suggestions or service cases rather than the journal advices basically. So Copilot understands recommendations with the help of modern context protocol, which we have talked about in today's session.
Okay, okay. And someone has asked, how can sales teams ensure the accuracy of Copilot's autofill data or suggestions?
Yeah, okay. So basically, Copilot never writes data blindly. So when it pre-fills forms or suggests any updates to you, users should review and confirm before saving. This is one thing we should keep in practice, that AI is giving us suggestions, and they used to give the suggestions on the basis of the data which we have previously filled, but before saving we should just review and confirm this. This will help in maintaining the human oversight as well. So behind the scenes, if we talk about that, how it will give suggestions, it cross checks the data across connected systems. So for example, it will check your data on Outlook, it will check your data on CRM records, Teams notes, and help in minimize and AI helps to minimize the errors because of these because it will be checking on different platforms. So over time, organization can tune Copilot suggestions based on usage feedbacks, improving accuracy and trust. But yes, one thing we should keep in practice is maintaining review and confirming before saving any data in the CRM system.
Okay, okay. And another question is, can AI in Dynamics 365 customer service handle sensitive data while remaining compliant with privacy regulations?
Yes, this is one of the questions which we have in mind always about security or compliance. So yes, the answer is yes. That all AI interactions in Dynamics 365 throughout modules are governed by Microsoft's responsible AI framework and GDPR compliance data boundaries. So customer data stays within the tenant secure environment, and Copilot doesn't have to read. Copilot doesn't retain or restrain train on private case data. So admin can further control visibility through data loss prevention policies and ensuring sensitive case details remain protected. So basically, whatever data which AI is taking from the system, it always remain in the tenant system only, and this will be followed with the. It will always take care of the GDPR compliant and data boundaries. So you don't have to worry that our data will be shared across the team, across different different environments, different companies. It's not like that. It is secured with the help of GDPR compliant data boundaries. No.
Okay. And how does the customer intent agent autonomously resolve customer issues in the contact center?
So basically, to answer this question, the customer intent agent uses natural language understanding. So there's an NLU concept which help to interpret a customer's request, whether typed or spoken, and map it to predefined customer articles, workflows, or both. So for example, let's take an example. If a customer says, I need to reset my password. So the AI detects intent and either executes the workflow automatically or share the right help resources. So this reduces repetitive workloads for agent while ensuring faster, consistent resolutions for common issues. So we will automatically predefine certain issues, and whenever that issues come up, the AI will automatically detect and give customers with certain resolutions which are consistent and which are common.
Okay. And one last question is that what benefits does Copilot bring to marketers using customer insights and real-time journeys?
Yeah, so in customer insight journeys, so Copilot can be designed. Copilot has been designed to optimize journeys using natural language, such as the best segments, and even help craft personalized contents. So marketers basically can simply describe a goal like. Let's take an example like re-engage inactive customers from last quarter. So we have not contacted certain customers from last 3-4 months. So AI can build the full journey complete with triggers and channels. If you explain them that these are the things which we wanted to contact to the people whom we have not contacted from last 4-5 months, and with the help of this particular Copilot feature, which creates the journeys automatically. It will design the entire journey for you. It will help in creating the segments, and it will combine with other voicemails or sentimental analytics, and it turned out your journey in a more actionable and human-like outreach at scale. So yes, with the help of this feature, it brings customer insights and marketing teams more data, with more suggestions, we can say.
Okay, I think that's all the questions from the audience. So thank you all for joining us today. We hope this session gave you some valuable insights into Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM Wave 2. And if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us again. Divya, can you move to the next slide? They can see the email ID.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, reach out to emath.m@mercuriusit.com, and we are happy to answer. You can expect a recording shortly. It will all be emailed to you. And thank you for attending.
Thank you, everyone.